How to reset iPhone keyboard. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the settings application on your device, and here tap on the general option you see there, and further scroll down and you will see the option for transfer or reset iPhone. So tap on the transfer or reset iPhone option and then tap on reset. You will then see the option for reset keyboard dictionary. So tap on the reset keyboard dictionary option you see there, and then go ahead and enter your passcode, and with this all your keyboard settings will be changed. So this was about how you can reset your iPhone keyboard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.